Ko Congress Histori urimpang kala therting i omentui rang ba Jilla u Conrad sangma halor ka jinkin tho Jong bakam shim la don kanu karoi ka par ha Jilla Meghalaya ha ki South Sans nembala dep daga papinkin mauru ba ukpa Jong upurno sangma udai udkho Jong seng Congress hashwaban seng ya National People's Party. Habakran Shakilat Pathai Kupor Hakani Sngi, ka Media Coordinator Jong ka All India Congress Committee ka Bobita Sharma Kalaong, ba umentri rang ba kajilla ulabu jingkali allow Jong ukpa halor ka jing tre kam Jong hakabe day ba karoi ka par Jong ka jilla haki South Sans nembala dam. Umentri rang ba kajilla Conrad sangma hakalai poi tre uklaling kot ulakam ba ka sarkar ka Jong kalayarap ya ka Meghalaya banki na ka jingbam don karoi ka par haki South Sans nembala dam kam tam hari lumgaro. Shusho ka Sharma kala pinkin mau baka Meghalaya kala yo yala ka Jong chilla na ka daw Jong ka Congress pat kala bin rap ru baka Congress ka deka seng ka badoni ka jing yo ijngai ka bala ban pin urlong ki jing posniu ba ki jing angno Jong ki nong shong ka jilla Meghalaya. Ka Congress kala kan thoru ya ki kertong Jong ka NPP na not shalong u ba ransom sutnga ba na East shalong ka Kong Ampri lingdo ki bla sha ka no don kti hagi kambe an ha ka be day ba ka jing tay ya ka ying dor bar thau an hamau diang ba ha ka tanat puli puthi. Halor kani ka Congress kala kan tho ba u Conrad sangma ude umentri rangba u ba ai jing ya dai ki babam sam. Ka Sharma kalakan thoru ba ka jingerap ka Bharatiya Janata Party ya ka National People's Party ka pinpau ba baro artli ki sengi ba ai jingedai ki to ki babam sam ba ki degi sengi ba thok ba shukori ki nong shong ka Jilla Meghalaya.
Yesterday we saw in media our Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Conrad had said that 45 years Meghalaya had seen no development. I want to ask the Honorable Chief Minister, with due respect to him, that in those 45 years, his father, late Conrad, who was a congressman, he was an MP in the 1970s, he was in the Indian Ministry of Indira Gandhi ji in the 1980s, he was a minister in the cabinet of Rajiv Gandhi ji, he was a minister in the cabinet of Sima Rao ji. So in those years, does it mean to say that his father did not do anything for Meghalaya? Is that what he is trying to give message to the people of Meghalaya? Just because his father was a congressman at that time? So I want to ask Mr. Conrad Sangma, so when you speak, please speak thoughtfully. Now you are in a position, you are a chief minister of a state which got statehood, which was given by the Congress party. Because Congress party had a vision about the aspirations of the people of Meghalaya. Because Congress party felt that statehood will give their dreams a fulfillment. So today he is here to serve the people of Meghalaya. He has got an opportunity to serve the people of Meghalaya because of the Congress party. And because the Congress party had the vision for the people of Meghalaya. But what he is doing right now, we have seen that instead of taking the opportunity to serve the people of Meghalaya, he is giving importance and credence to corruption in his government. We have seen how he is protecting people who are corrupt. We have seen how nearer home in the assembly, you have seen how the collapse of the assembly happened because of shoddy work, and the engineer who was responsible for it has been given ticket by the NPP. So isn't it giving credence to corruption, giving protection to corruption? In the same way, I would also like to say that our own colleague who left us very recently, Amprin Lingdo, what happened to her? She was also on the CBI scanner. Now she has gone to NPP to get the same protection. The BJP is helping in that protection. So NPP and BJP are hand in glove to give protection for corruption and looting the people of Meghalaya.
Hoi, hoi, hoi. Hoi, 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 hoi. Hoi, kapag TMC, si Turkey sentil Meghalaya bang pernah. Hoi, kapag TMC, si Turkey sentil Meghalaya bang tingkai. Rilum jungi mentala day kapor ka jingkala, kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkala. Rilum jungi mentala day kapor ka jingkala, kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkala.